I think I shouldn't make this a profession. Hi guys, my name is Christina. I'm a nutritional therapist and I upload delicious recipes and lifestyle tips every week. If you are new to my channels, then do subscribe if you're interested in this subject. In this episode, we're talking about fats. In 1976, fats got a really bad reputation. A study showed that saturated fat will get us fat. A lot of studies since then, though, has proved that that is not the case, so they have debunked the myth. Fats actually help us with weight management, and what gets us fat is a lot of sugar, a lot of carbs, and specifically white carbs. Consumption of fat is linked to better heart and brain function, to weight loss, and also to better absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. Fats also keep our body warm and provide a cushion for our vital organs so they are protected from harm. Fats are also linked to improvement in mood, so do eat more fats. And which fats do you actually need to eat? So research has shown that fats in avocados, in coconut oil, and any other products of coconut, as well as nuts, seeds, olives, olive oil, they are great. They're great for your brain, great for your heart, and you should not restrain yourself from eating them. Additional healthy fats can be found in eggs, butter, and yes, you heard me right, grass-fed organic butter is really good for your health. Ghee, grass-fed organic beef is also great for your health and provides you with good source of healthy fats. And dark chocolate. Yes, feel free to eat dark chocolate, 70% enough. By making sure you include healthy fats in your diets, you'll see that your body-mind will be in sharp shape. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment on the section below, and do subscribe because I upload new content every week. See you in the next episode.